So what are SumoSprings? They're a unique suspension support system utilizing microcellular foam jounces designed for handling additional loads, reducing sway, and greatly improving overall drivability. We're going to demonstrate the easy installation of the front SumoSpring on a 1-ton pickup truck, in this case the very popular F350. This image clearly shows the size difference between the OE bump stop and the SumoSpring. The additional height of the Sumo permits much earlier and smoother engagement, producing a better ride. First, review the installation instructions, ensuring you follow all safety protocols and have everything you need on hand. From the image, you'll notice that even though both Sumo jounces are identical, on this particular installation, they do attach to the frame slightly differently. We've raised the front of the truck by the frame, taking the entire load off the factory coil springs. The stock factory bump stop is easily removed with a little muscle power. Now remove the retaining cap. The passenger side part has an offset adapter plate already screwed into the top of the Sumo. Unscrew this plate. Apply Loctite to the threaded stud. Attach the adapter plate through the threaded hole in the frame using the flathead countersunk screw. Install the washer and nut on top of the stud and tighten securely. Screw the SumoSpring back onto the adapter plate securely. To install the driver's side, thread the stud into the hole where the factory bump stop was previously attached and tighten the SumoSpring. Secure the nut on top of the stud. Lower the truck to the ground, and that's all there is to this SumoSpring installation, your maintenance-free solution for comfortable, additional front and rear suspension support. The Sumos are an extremely effective, cost-efficient means of dealing with the extra weight of a snowplow, winch, or heavy-duty bumper. We've modified the shape, size, and density of the proprietary foam material to produce many different SumoSpring applications, all of which are completely maintenance-free.